Changing your plan on Deezer is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily switch to a different subscription plan. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Deezer website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Ensure you are logged into the account for which you want to change the plan. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is typically found by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Select subscription. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled subscription or plan. Click on this option to view your current plan and available alternatives. Step 4. Choose a new plan. Browse through the different subscription options available. Select the plan you wish to switch to and review the details, including pricing and features. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the #com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Now you can enjoy your new Deezer plan. If you have any issues during the process, consider reaching out to Deezer's customer support for assistance.